You're an ambitious developer with groundbreaking ideas but limited resources. You've dreamt of building AI-powered applications that could revolutionize industries, but the high costs of advanced models have always held you back. This scenario is all too common, but that's about to change with OpenAI's latest innovation, GPT-4o Mini. This new model promises to democratize access to powerful AI, enabling developers from all backgrounds to turn their visions into reality. Stay with us as we dive into what makes GPT-4o Mini a game changer and how it can transform your projects. By the end of this video, you'll understand why GPT-4o Mini is a must-have tool in your development arsenal. And before we jump into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates in the AI world. OpenAI is dropping a new model, and it's a game changer. They're calling it GPT-4o Mini, and it's all about being lighter, cheaper, and smarter. This model is perfect for developers who want to play around with AI, but don't want to break the bank. So what exactly is GPT-4o Mini, and why should you care? Let's break it down. GPT-4o Mini is a streamlined version of OpenAI's powerful models, offering substantial capabilities without the substantial cost. It's designed to be accessible, enabling more developers to experiment, innovate, and create impactful applications. Whether you're working on a startup, a side project, or just exploring AI out of sheer curiosity, GPT-4o Mini opens doors that were previously shut tight due to financial constraints. Now, we all know building apps with OpenAI's models can get super pricey. Many developers get priced out and end up going for cheaper alternatives like Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash or Anthropic's Claude 3 Haiku. With GPT-4o Mini, OpenAI is stepping into the light model game and making things a whole lot more affordable. While these models offer similar capabilities, GPT-4o Mini holds its own, especially considering its price point. For instance, Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash scored 78.9% on the MLLU, while Claude 3 Haiku scored 75.2%. With GPT-4o Mini's 82%, it's clear that affordability doesn't mean compromising on quality. Olivier Gaudemond from OpenAI shared that GPT-4o Mini really aligns with OpenAI's mission of making AI accessible to everyone. They want AI to benefit every industry and application worldwide, and to do that, it needs to be affordable. This philosophy drives OpenAI's innovations, ensuring that even the most advanced technologies can be utilized by a broader audience. With GPT-4o Mini, OpenAI is taking a significant step towards achieving this goal. One of the most exciting aspects of GPT-4o Mini is its wide accessibility. Starting today, if you're using ChatGPT on free, Plus, or Team plans, you can switch to GPT-4o Mini instead of GPT 3.5 Turbo. Enterprise users will get access in the near future. Just a heads up, GPT 3.5 will be phased out for ChatGPT users, but it'll still be available via the API for those who prefer it over the new Mini. Eventually, GPT 3.5 will retire from the API too, but no timeline on that yet. This new model is versatile too. It supports text and vision in the API and will soon handle all sorts of multimodal inputs and outputs like video and audio. Imagine virtual assistants that not only understand your travel itinerary but also give you suggestions. That's the kind of capability we're talking about. But remember, it's designed for simpler tasks, so don't expect a budget Siri just yet. GPT-4o Mini scored an impressive 82% on the Measuring Massive Multitask Language Understanding benchmark. For context, GPT 3.5 scored 70% and the full-size GPT-4o hit 88.7%. Google's Gemini Ultra claims the top spot with 90%. The scores of competing models Claude 3 Haiku and Gemini 1.5 Flash are 75.2% and 78.9%, respectively. However, it's important to note that researchers caution against relying too heavily on these benchmark tests. The administration of these tests can vary between companies, making it tough to compare scores directly. Plus, there's always the chance that the AI models have seen the test answers before, which could skew results. For developers eager to create AI applications on a budget, GPT-4o Mini is a fantastic new tool. OpenAI let the financial tech startup Ramp test it out, and they built a tool that extracts expense data from receipts. Just snap a pic of your receipt, and the model sorts it all out for you. Superhuman, an email client, also gave it a whirl and used it to create an auto-suggestion feature for email responses, streamlining user experience and boosting productivity. The goal here is to offer something lightweight and affordable so developers can create all those apps and tools they couldn't afford with a bigger model like GPT-4. Before this, many would turn to Claude 3 Haiku or Gemini 1.5 Flash to avoid the hefty compute costs. So why did it take OpenAI so long to release something like GPT-4o Mini? Godemon explained it was all about prioritization. OpenAI focused on creating bigger, better models like GPT-4, which required a lot of resources. As they noticed more developers wanting smaller models, they decided it was time to invest in GPT-4o Mini. Godemon believes it's going to be very popular, not just among existing apps using OpenAI's AI, but also among new apps that were previously priced out. And in other news, OpenAI also announced new tools for their ChatGPT enterprise users. They introduced the Enterprise Compliance API, which helps businesses in regulated industries like finance and healthcare meet logging and audit requirements. Admins will have more control and can audit and act on their ChatGPT enterprise data, which includes tracking conversations, uploaded files, and workspace users. They're also giving admins more granular control over workspace GPTs, allowing them to create approved lists of domains that GPTs can interact with. Exciting times ahead in the world of AI. Stay tuned for more AI updates and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest in AI tech news. This is AI Nexus. Catch you on the other side. Peace.